Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need the correct file and display info before changing anything. Start by locating your image and confirming it's JPG, PNG, or BMP so the system accepts it. Open Personalize on Windows or desktop settings on Mac OS and keep your display resolution in view. This matters for scaling. Once done, select Browse or Add Photo and pick the image. Make sure to use the system account with permission to change settings, because permission errors are a common early blocker. Now you adjust how the image fills the screen and why those choices matter. Select Fill to cover the screen without bars, Fit to avoid cropping when aspect ratios differ, or Center if you want no scaling. For multi-monitor setups, pick per display images or use span mode deliberately. Spanning mismatched resolutions will stretch content. If the picture looks blurry, resize or crop to your native resolution in an editor first. That preserves sharpness. Once adjusted, apply changes and verify on each monitor. Finish by applying the chosen wallpaper and confirming it persists after a quick logout or restart. If the image reverts, check file permissions. Make sure you own the image and it's not blocked by cloud sync or corporate policies. Once done, verify group policy or device management settings if on a managed machine. As a last resort, create a new user profile to see if the issue is profile-specific. One key tip: reboot after fixing permissions. Many systems only refresh wallpaper settings on login.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.